So what are you up to here?
Oh, you know, dear. Building our home for the next 6 months. Framing the walls of the upper section. Put it on camera.
And this section is
The kitchen wall.
right.
Kitchen.
So there's a big window
Settee.
there, and this is where the settee goes.
It will all become clear. There, that portion's done.
What was that portion?
Those
Explain
are all
it.
the roof trusses. For our
Wow.
caravan roof, from front to back. So into this spot, they'll be spread apart 2 feet. Then the beadboard gets laid in. Well, first they get screwed down to the walls. The beadboard goes in here. Then the wiring gets done. Then the insulation goes in. And then it gets skinned with 3/16 birch ply. And then the metal goes on. I gotta round over these ends so that our metal rolls over, captures the side metal, gets covered with a piece of cedar trim, and then the top gets captured with aluminum flat stock front to back. It's a process.
Coming!
Up. Up. Put it behind the plate on this side.
From here?
Yeah. My angle fits nice on the outside edge. How about yours?
There's no bad on the outside. Can't see the inside.
Go and have a look. Oh, ready for
Huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a little rock, but
Flat.
that's flat for me.
Just about flat. So we're very close. That's a GRK will pull out. Okay, so we should go in and measure the distance inside and see if they're all the same. And if they are, then I can cut all these things off.
Yay!